everybody, today we have one of the Kinder Egg new toy packs. So this has 3 Kinder Eggs in it and it's going to have 3 toys. So let's open it up and see what is inside. So just the standard Kinder Egg. Open it up. Chocolate over here. So here it is. So for this one, it looks like we have an ostrich. Okay, so this is the ostrich. Alright, so the next one. Put it over here. Here's the egg. And it is a water squirter. So here's the little guy. You just hold him underwater, you squeeze his belly, you pick him up out of the water, and he squirts water. Okay, so this is the last one in this set. Here's the capsule. And this one, oh, it's a coloring one. Okay, so this one has a little stand and then it has a little brush and then you can paint with it. Okay, so these are all of the new toy items that we got from the Kinder Surprise today. So if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give us a like. If you'd like to see more unboxings and reveals, please be sure to follow the channel. We will see you in the next one.